Hey guys, what's up? So sorry for the delay of not making these modding tutorials as quick as I usually can. I've been, stumbling upon a lot of things that are popping out. But anyways, welcome back to episode 4 of modding. And this time I'm going to show you guys on how to make tools and how to add in tools into your Minecraft game. So we are in episode 4. And what I'm going to do is, this is the best way for everyone not to get any errors. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to upload separate videos for all separate tools, if you best understand me. So right now, episode 4 is going to be based on the pickaxe, and then episode 5 is going to be an axe, episode 7 is going to be this hoe, and episode 8 will be this shovel. I am going to be uploading all these episodes today, so expect these every hour or maybe so. I'm not sure how fast I can edit these videos, but anyways, let's go ahead and add in this green pickaxe. So this is the green pickaxe that I am going to add into my Minecraft game, and if you guys want this 16 by 16 pixeled pickaxe, you can go ahead and get it from my description. I have a download for everything, so go ahead and get that, and the source. So you could check out the source, which we're going to be using in this episode. So yeah, here's the green pickaxe. Let's go ahead and get this green pickaxe into our Minecraft game. So let's go ahead and open up Eclipse, where we have made ourselves our green sword and of course our green gem earlier in our previous episodes. Go ahead and check that out if you haven't already started. So yeah, let's go ahead and add in our pickaxe. I'm going to go right here to the end of the sword. If you notice, there's some semicolons right there. I'm going to go ahead and press enter 2 times, and I'm going to go ahead and name this little section pickaxe. So remember, side notes, if you do // it will activate side notes, so you can keep everything organized. And now I'm going to add in some code right here. So I've already set up all of the code into the description. This is the fastest way we can do this, and this is the only way we can't get any errors. You guys don't want to see me typing this for like 20 minutes and you have to pause the video and keep on typing what I'm typing. So I'm going to provide the code into my description. So go ahead and open up the one that says static pick. So this is the public static final for the pickaxe. Let's go ahead and highlight this, and let's go ahead and copy this and add it into our Eclipse. So here we go, where our mod underscore is at. Right in this section, we're going to copy and paste in that public static final. So here is public static final item. Since it is an item, it's going to be named pickaxe. So right here where it says name, let's go ahead and call that green, since we don't want to keep it default name. So item green pick. So this is the green pick. You can actually put whatever you want. You don't have to put pickaxe, but it's best just to leave what it is at the end, such as a pick or an axe or a hoe. So it is a green pick. Equals new item pickaxe. So it isn't pickaxe, so we have to have item pickaxe, such as over here you see item sword. You could put item shovel, item hoe, doesn't really matter. I'm gonna get done with those in the next episodes. So this is the item ID. Let's go ahead and change this up, and let's just go ahead and keep it default 2102. As long as it doesn't really conflict with the other IDs that we have listed up here, then we're good. So here is the enum tool material. I'm gonna leave it gold. We could add in a special enum tool material, such as the one up here we made hello. In my previous episode, I did show you guys how to set up and create a different enum tool material. Well, I did explain it, so you go ahead and name this whatever enum material that you like. I'm going to keep mine gold. And then I'm going to add in .set item name. Whatever, you could place whatever right here. So I'm going to put A, B, C, D, all this junk. It doesn't really matter what you place right here, but you could keep it organized and just call it a green pick. But I'm going to go ahead and put baloney right now because it doesn't really matter. It's just an extra little bit of code that you have to add in. Alright, so then we have to go here to our public void load, and this is where we're going to put in the code. Of course, the public void load is everything from mod loader add name to add recipe. A lot of people are saying I did not do an add recipe episode. I will get down and show you guys how to do, add recipes and all that good stuff. I will do that in the next episodes. But let's go ahead and press enter just to, have a nice empty space for us to place down some code in here. And the next thing we're going to open up is this public load pick. Alright, so go into my description and it should open up like a special web page where you just copy and paste this code. So we're going to right click, copy, and go into our Eclipse and go ahead and paste that code into our public void load. So there we go. So now it's inside here, and of course right here it says name pick. Okay, this is the name of your pickaxe. Since we did name it green pick, I'm going to go ahead and copy that. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight this and paste it inside here. You could just rename the name pick and just call it green pick. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go here to name and just call it green. So G-R-E-N, and there we go. And then we have another error right here. Of course, to look for errors, of course, you're going to see right here, it's going to show name pick cannot be resolved because we didn't really add it in over here in the public static finals. So you have to rename this to the correct name that you have placed up there in the public static finals. Let's go ahead and rename this to green. Green, there we go. So we have no errors, and we will set the image path, so let's go ahead and do that after this. But let's go ahead and look around to see if we have any other errors. Right here is mod loader add name. So this is the in-game name for the pickaxe. I'm going to go ahead and change this name and call it green. So while I'm in-game, it's going to be called a green pickaxe. Okay, this is the recipe. Mod loader add recipe for the item stack of the green pick. We only want one pickaxe when we craft this only once. We could have this 5 times, so let's say 64 stacks. Maybe if we craft this once, we're going to get 64 pickaxes. But we don't want that. We want it to be original. We want it to be one pickaxe when crafting this. So it's a new object. Let's go ahead and change the crafting recipe. So X equals stick. Obviously, by default, when you craft yourself a pickaxe, it has to have some sticks. And here are the 3 materials that are located in the top of the crafting box, which is block dirt. We don't want block dirt, do we? We don't want ourselves to have a dirt pickaxe. We want to have a green gem pickaxe, right? Since we are using our green gem up here, you notice it says right here public static final item green gem, which we added in. This is a good material. We are going to replace this block dirt with green gem. So green gem, there we go. We shouldn't have any errors from now on, and it should work. You could actually change this. So if you don't want green gem, you could put item dot, let's say here's a whole list of things. You could just mess around with all this. Hold on, I have to do it again. Item dot, and just scroll down to see what items that you can use. So you can use a compass. You can make a compass pickaxe. I'm not sure why you'll want that, but let's go ahead and rename this to green gem like how we had it. So green gem. So there we go. We shouldn't have any errors, and it should all be working. And now what we're going to do is just set the item path for the actual picture. So let's go ahead and minus our eclipse and go ahead and exit off anything that you have opened up. And here we go. So here is the pickaxe. We just have to add the path for this. So what we're going to do is just right click this green pick. So just right click it, copy. So make sure you copy this and then go into your moddings folder. You're going to go here to bin, okay, bin, Minecraft. Then you're going to go here to items. Since we did create ourselves an items folder where we're going to place all our items, let's go ahead and right click and paste that. So there we go. So our green pick is now located in our items folder. So now let's go ahead and go back one, and go back again until we hit the original directory of the moddings folder. Now let's go here to Eclipse. So go to Eclipse and go here to client, go here to bin, go here to items, and there we go. So modding, Eclipse, client, bin, items. And now let's go ahead and paste that within there. And there we go. Now we have set the path, and you notice the item is actually called green pick. Okay, let's go back to Eclipse, and it's going to say right here, it's going to override our original GUI of the items with our new item. And it is actually called pick. So we have to rename this. Our picture is not called pick, it is called green pick. Okay, so green pick, like that. Alright, if I got myself an error, I'll show you how to fix that problem, but there shouldn't be any errors because I did call my pickaxe a green pick. Okay, so now let's go ahead and press play and see if it worked. Let's press OK, and it should be able to work. If it comes out with an error, probably it was the picture. I'll show you how to fix this problem. You see, it totally worked for me. I'm going to go ahead and exit off my Minecraft game. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in an extra E on green pick. So make sure you don't misspell anything. Now let me go ahead and press play, and then it's going to come out with an error saying that it cannot locate this green pick. Let's scroll down, it'll say right here, image not found, items green pick. Because I added in an extra E, you'll get yourself an error. Make sure that you named everything correctly, all caps and everything. Just make sure everything's correct. And there you go. You should be able to log in, and you should be able to have yourself a pickaxe. So let's go ahead and craft ourselves one of these pickaxes. So let's go here and right click, and you see we have ourselves some of our gems in here. So here are our green gems that has the letter S on them, and now let's grab ourselves some sticks and craft ourselves a green pickaxe. And there's our green pickaxe. It will act like a pickaxe. Don't even worry if it doesn't act like a pickaxe, because it should be acting like a pickaxe. We did create it as a pickaxe. So let's go ahead and do a little bit extra stuff right now, such as let's change the in-game name. So if you notice, the name is called green pickaxe. Okay, I'm going to exit off my game. Now I'm going to rename it right here, since mod loader add name for the green pickaxe is in-game name right here, green pick. We could change this to whatever we want. I'm going to call this awesome pick. Okay, so here we go, awesome pick. Now let's play the game, and it should be able to run, and the item should be called awesome pick. Now let's check out the name, and there it is. Now it's called awesome pick. So that is a wrap, guys. That's basically how to create a pickaxe into your Minecraft game. So the next episode, I'm going to show you guys how to create yourself an axe. And then I'm going to show you guys on how to create yourselves a hoe and then a shovel. So, until then, thank you guys for your rating and all that other good stuff. I'm going to go ahead and make myself another episode. So, see you guys later.